Welcome to Brain Hockey TV. We are gonna do Season 1, Game 3 of the knee hockey season. I'm gonna be the Carolina Hurricanes, and Taylor's gonna be the Anaheim Ducks. And I'm gonna get started here in a few seconds. And my player is gonna be Ryan Getzlaf, and I'm gonna be Sebastian Aho. Oh, take the yellow one. Yeah, yellow, so it's right because it's right.
Dum 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 da dum dum da dum 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 da dum da dum. And he shoots, and he misses, but just right off the side, to the side of the net. And there goes the Carolina. Here we go, and he shoots, and he misses right off the side of the net. And here he goes, and he shoots again, Nope. And it's off to the side, and there he goes and gets it. He's going to get it. Where did it go? Behind the chair. Here he goes. Oh, good save by the Ducks. No score yet. Here they go. That's a really hard shot. Got there. Here we go. Ooh, so close. Whoa. Wow. Good saves. Woo! Ooh, almost. Whoa! Goal! 1-0. Carolina Hurricanes. Reset it. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, good save. Oh, and they come back. It scores 1-1. Here they go.
That's only 1, 2, 3.
Oh, 2-1. Ducks score.
Hey, that's only 1, 2, 3.
Oh, 2-2. It's a tie between the Carolina and the Ducks. Oh, and they score again.
That wasn't 3. No,
That was a goal.
Okay.
3-2. 3-2. Fair and square. 3-2.
3-1. 3-2. 1, 2, 3. Ow.
Ooh, so close. Watch those fingers. Here we go. Shake it off, you tough guy. Here we go. Oh, and he just misses. Oh, nice shot. And it's off to the side. There he goes. There he goes. Ooh, 3-3. It's tied up again. 3-3 between the Anaheim Ducks and Carolina. Oh, and it's not tied up anymore. 4-3. 4-3. That was a goal. Fair and square.
I saw it.
It hit the net. Hey, it was a goal. I have video on it on camera. It's on camera. Here we go. 4-3. Here.
1, 2.
Oh, nope, not quite. And the Carolina wins 5-3. Jacob.
Okay, thank you for watching this video, folks. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a link in the description. Bye. And my name is Tony McCauley, and I don't know what I'm doing.